we're going to explain how to filter data in Excel based on dates. This is a really useful skill for anyone working with spreadsheets that contain date information. There are several ways to do this depending on what you're trying to achieve. 1. Filtering by a specific date. Let's say you have a column with dates and you only want to see the entries from, say, October 26, 2024. First, select the header of the column containing your dates. You'll see a filter icon appear. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Number Filters, then Equals, and type in 10/26/2024, or use the date format your Excel uses. Click OK, and only the rows with that specific date will be visible. If you have many dates, this might take a while to do one by one. Alternatively, you could use the Text Filters option in a similar way, if the dates are formatted as text rather than dates. 2. Filtering by a date range. Maybe you want to see all entries from a specific period, like October 2024. Again, select the date column header and click the filter icon. From the drop-down, select Date Filters. Now you'll have a range of options. You can choose between to specify a start and end date, for instance, the first and last days of October, before to show dates earlier than a specific day, or after to show dates later than a specific day. Just type in the dates or select them using the calendar that pops up, then click OK. This is more efficient than filtering for each date individually. 3. Filtering by day, month, or year. You might not always need the full date. To filter by just the month, for example, select the date column header and the filter icon. Again, select Date Filters and then Month. You will then have the option to select the month you are looking for and click OK. The same method works for filtering by day or year. This is really useful if you want a quick overview of your data based on a particular time period. 4. Using advanced filtering. For more complex scenarios, you can use Excel's advanced filtering options. This feature lets you apply more complicated criteria, such as filtering based on multiple date conditions simultaneously. This is more advanced and will require more steps. There are countless tutorials online should you want to explore this option. It may involve creating a separate criteria range to specify your filters. 5. Important note on date formatting. Remember that Excel needs to recognize your data as dates to use the date filters effectively. If your dates are formatted as text, the filtering won't work correctly. Make sure your column is correctly formatted as a date before attempting to filter it. You can usually change the formatting by selecting the column, right-clicking, choosing Format Cells, and selecting Date from the list of categories. Choose the date format you prefer from the available options. This is crucial to ensure that your filtering works correctly. By following these steps, you can easily and efficiently filter your Excel data based on specific dates or date ranges, saving you significant time and effort in managing your spreadsheets. Remember to always double-check your date formatting before starting.